Welcome everyone to Bob, Beth, and the boys. We're on another adventure. We're heading towards Tampa on the I-4 parking lot. I call it the I-4 parking lot because it's usually a parking lot. Running pretty clear today. We're going to talk to Beth here in just a second to find out where we're heading. So where are you taking us to today, Beth?
Well, I looked it up, and this is an unusual restaurant. We're going to see how it is. It's called Whiskey Cake.
Whiskey cake?
Yeah. I don't know.
So you have cake that's made out of whiskey?
Yeah, I guess. We'll see what's there. And they have unusual things on the menu, and it's locally grown, and so we're going to check that out.
So they grow whiskey cake?
No,
it's locally grown?
Yeah, all the ingredients, not all the ingredients, but most of the ingredients.
I think we're going to wait and see what happens.
And it's near Tampa, so if you're on vacation or near Tampa, even if you go to Disney, you can always shoot down here and check this out. So we'll see how it is.
Most excellent. We'll find out very shortly because we're almost to Tampa.
Almost.
Actually, we're passing by it as we speak. On the I-4 corridor.
That's 275.
And we're on 275 now.
Yeah.
All just coming off the I-4 corridor on 275. This is some of the interior before you go into the interior. We have to go that way. So this is the outside interior, because it's actually underneath the roof.
We could eat. Look at, they have nice couches, and there's one over here. There's couches over here. So let's
What do you want to do?
So we are a farm to fork garden to glass restaurant. Everything's going to be as fresh and as local as possible. We have our own bakery in the back over here. We make our own buns and our whiskey cake, which is super famous. Save room.
We have to try one of those.
You have to. We also have our own rotisserie in the back, and we have no microwaves, no freezers, and our pre-prohibition style bar where we have over 400 different whiskeys.
Oh wow!
Yep.
Wow!
Yeah.
I can't wait for that cake. I'm gonna try that one.
I'm not even a big sweet fan, and it's worth it. It's
Is it?
definitely worth it.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I'm still trying to decide. There's so much here. This is a cheese spread. See, I want a little of everything so I can taste everything. So this is good. Very good. This here. This one.
Do you know what it's called, or just a cheese spread?
Everything's farm to table. So they create this. Everyone's different, you know? Maybe every day is different. I don't know. Now look at this. Ah, cherries. Maybe.
Was it cherry? Not sure. Whatever it is, if it's cherry or whatever it is,
So
it's
good.
good. Okay.
Now look at this. My favorite.
Now what is that?
You know I love honeycomb. I even buy honeycomb just so because I like it so much. So I don't know how I get it's on.
I thought you were
here.
going to blow the whole
Whoops.
thing on there.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
You making a mess?
Yeah, I
Okay.
am, but
You're allowed.
I don't want to.
We won't tell.
I don't want to lose anything
Honey,
here.
I promise I won't tell anybody that you're making a mess.
Okay.
You have to believe me on that one.
Yeah, I believe you. Mm.
Just oozing with deliciousness.
Mm-hmm. This is very good. I'm so enjoying this board.
Is
here
it
that we
is it
got.
hot or is it spicy or what's going on with
You
it?
know what? These here are beans, but they're hot to the taste. They're not overly hot, spicy, but they're good and like with vinegar heat to them.
And
And-
I see you're using the best of silverware.
Yeah.
Oh, good shot. Nice. Just suck it in there. Hey, he got it. Now that's the way to enjoy a piece of meat. That's why I think I married you, for that very reason.
Because you enjoy seeing me eat.
Oh, yeah, oh, definitely.
It's videotaping, so it must be good.
Yes. Oh, this was
Yes, ma'am.
terrific.
Everything is awesome so far, guys.
They love our
Appreciate it. Oh, looking awesome. Wow, look at this.
brothers. No, it's just standard. It's just standard procedure for anybody that's in management or you know, I'm a chef. You have to shave your head.
Yeah.
So you're the actual chef that
I'm
does
grilling
all the
mine
cooking?
in, so y'all enjoy. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. Did he say it was standard procedure for the chef to come to the table?
No.
Is that what I heard?
No. That was nice that they brought everything over.
And the chef brought out personally for us.
Yes,
That
which
was
was
very cool.
nice. Very cool. Very cool.
That's the kind of service that goes above and beyond.
Exactly. We've had this is top notch.
Absolutely. Look at this. That's what I'm talking about.
That's sirloin with couscous. Sirloin with couscous.
Fufu?
Couscous. And this is your broccolini.
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
That looks good.
Yeah, that-
Broccolini looks good.
That's good too. Awesome, awesome.
Oh, that looks good, Bob.
I'll let you know in a second.
Okay.
It's not that good. It's absolutely awesome. Fantastic.
Oh, that's awesome.
Wow.
And then you have couscous underneath.
Yeah, I don't know what all that is, but I'll eat it. I'm after the steak.
Okay.
But I'm sure this is just fine.
Oh,
right?
yes.
Let me try some of that.
Okay.
You ordered me this thing here.
Yeah.
It's very good. It's like little tiny balls of spaghetti.
Yes.
Very nice.
That's what it is.
And it's flavored very well.
risotto. Couscous risotto. I'm glad you're enjoying it. All right, I'm gonna attempt to eat this thing. And Bob asked me if I was gonna cut it, and I said, I'm not cutting this.
Wow.
So I know, right?
Really?
Let's see. I don't know. Nice French fried
I'm not
onions.
saying you have a big mouth, but if you can get your mouth around that.
Well, let's see. I know this isn't very ladylike, but you know what? It's a hamburger. This is OMG, and it's really OMG.
So, wow. Wow. I don't think I could have even done that.
Wonderful.
I mean, as big as my mouth is, I could not have done that.
I need
Very-
an extra napkin.
Very impressive. So we have to ask ourselves the question, Beth, would we come back here?
Definitely. Definitely would come
We would
back
definitely
here.
come back here.
This burger was wonderful. The OMG burger 2.0.
Very nice. I would definitely put this in my top 5.
Right.
It was excellent. I would definitely come back here. It's on
Absolutely.
my to-do list already.
I have nice pressed coffee here. That'll go nicely with my dessert.
Okay, the grand finale has arrived.
Yes, whiskey cake.
What is it?
Whiskey cake. That's what this restaurant is named after.
The whole restaurant is named after that cake.
Yes.
And what's in the bowl?
This is homemade whipped cream. Look at this. Homemade cream. Oh my word.
So
this
you're
looks
going to
so
put the
good.
whipped cream
On top here.
on the whiskey
And it
cake.
looks like it's a, you know what this says? It is a toffee torte, bourbon, a glaze, spiced pecans, house-made vanilla, whipped cream. Look at this. Amazing. Looks so amazing. Okay, here we go. All right. Oh, wow. Look at that. Cool. That looks so good. You have the utensils, so you have to give me the
Yeah, but I'm not giving them to you.
I need it. Thanks.
What's this one for?
That's for
Oh,
you
that's
to
for
try.
me.
Yes. All right. Okay. I love it when everything is homemade, like feels like it's homemade. Farm to table is wonderful. This is all natural. I mean, it's good. So, want to say this is not overly sweet, so it's you can eat more than what I thought you could eat. I was expecting sweet. It is not sweet, but it is very good and rich. And this here cream, some kind of glaze, I think it is. It's similar to what I had in Ireland at a little pub that we had when we were in Dover.
Oh, that was the White Horse.
The White Horse.
It's called the White Horse.
Was that in Ireland or England?
It was in Dover. The White Cliffs of Dover was England.
England, not Ireland. We did stop in Ireland, but the White Horse in Dover, England, it was wonderful.
It was in the main part
And
of the
this
city.
tastes similar to that cream. Oh, it was good. Yeah.
So I have a question for you.
Yes.
How many different types of whiskey are actually here?
We have over 300 different types of whiskeys.
300?
Yep, it does vary a little bit because some are only in certain seasons. So some we will be out of until like the summertime or the springtime, but over 300 different whiskeys.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
a lot of different flavors.
Yep. Between rye, Irish, scotches, bourbons. Yep, we got
So
them
somebody
all.
coming in here can just pretty much have their pick of
Oh yeah.
whatever they like.
Oh yeah, yep. And we have some that you can't even find in the liquor store anywhere around.
Well, that's awesome.
Yep, yep.
That's an awesome part of the vlog to know about that.
Oh yeah, definitely. I know we just got up one bottle in that we're the only one in Tampa that has it. So
Wow,
it's the
nice.
Angels Envy Madeira cask, and they gave it to one store, and it was us.
So if you want whiskey, this is the place to come to.
Yes, it is.
Awesome,
It is.
awesome. Thank you. After you're done eating, you have a place here where they have couches and chairs. You can come over here and just sit, relax, have a refreshment before you head out the door. Or you can just come in and sit, relax, and have a drink and enjoy the place that way as well.
All right.
I think they have a little bit of everything for everybody. Okay, we're coming to a close here, but if you come here and you really want a good waitress, it's Jessica.
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 She was great.
Jessica.
Ask for her.
Jessica. Awesome. This vlog is over.